attacking from a non-threatening position. In full circle fighting system, we call this the listening cross guard, or LCG. My hand can be under the other arm, or the hand can be on the bicep. When my partner comes in and I want to practice, this LCG can be used in many ways to defend or attack. In this video, we're going to focus on just using it to attack a preemptive strike. What that means is, I feel threatened. I feel that if I wait one more second, I'm going to be hit, tackled, or stabbed. That's when I've got to react. From the LCG position, I can strike with a hammer strike, follow up with a knife hand strike to the side of the neck. I can grab onto their clothing. I can pull them down, and I can hammer to the base of the neck, or I can drop an elbow to the spine. I could use a palm heel strike as my first strike. I'll do it from the bicep this time. From here, I use a palm heel strike straight into the jaw. Then I follow up with a knife hand strike to the neck, grab onto the clothing, and the same thing. Hammer strike to the base of the neck, elbow to the spine, or even a downward elbow.